an eagle-eyed companion, tirelessly scanning the footage, picking out the details that might otherwise be missed. Now, what does this mean for the commanders on the ground? It means they have access to valuable data-driven insights. They're no longer relying solely on human interpretation of the situation, but have the backing of AI analysis. This can aid in informed decision-making, allowing for strategic moves that are grounded in hard data. Moreover, the use of AI significantly reduces the risk of human error. By automating the analysis of a drone footage, we're not just saving time, but also ensuring that the decisions are based on accurate, unbiased information. This is the power of AI in action. It's not about replacing humans, but about augmenting human capabilities. It's about providing our military commanders with the tools they need to make the best possible decisions with the least amount of risk. As we can see from Project Maven, AI provides a powerful tool for enhancing military decision-making. But what does all this mean for the future of warfare? The implications of AI in military decision-making are far-reaching. As we've explored, these intelligent systems can streamline operations, bolster accuracy, and quicken the pace of decisions. It's clear that the role of AI in military environments is not just a fleeting trend, but a strategic necessity that's here to stay. AI's ability to process vast amounts of data in real time, to predict outcomes, and to learn from past experiences sets it apart. This technology is poised to become an indispensable ally in the battlefield, providing unprecedented levels of situational awareness and predictive insights. Imagine a future where AI takes center stage, guiding military strategy with its unbiased, data-driven insights. Envision AI systems working in harmony with human commanders, complementing their intuition and experience with precise, timely information. As we continue to unlock the potential of AI, its impact on military decision-making will only become more profound. The question is, are we ready for this future?